With more evidence suggesting their efficacy and safety, Chinese vaccines have been registered and used in more and more countries, especially those in Latin America. With the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic, over the past months, countries like Brazil, Chile, Peru, and Colombia have been resorting to the Chinese vaccines for their urgent needs of fighting the virus. Some of the countries have authorized the emergency use of the Chinese vaccines, and some have already launched the mass immunization campaign. In January, after receiving some 6 million doses of vaccine developed by the Chinese firm Sinovac, in cooperation with the Butantan Institute of Sao Paulo, Brazil has launched a mass immunization campaign against the COVID-19. This month, Chile has also begun its mass immunization campaign, inoculating people over 90 years old across the country. The campaign is being carried out with almost 4 million doses of Chinese vaccine CoronaVac, with more to gradually arrive over the coming weeks. On Sunday, Peru received the first batch of vaccines from Chinese firm Sinopharm as the country is preparing for mass immunization campaign. In the meantime, Colombia has approved the emergency use of the CoronaVac, following experts' evaluation of the vaccines. With Chinese-made vaccine shots reaching people in more countries, booming vaccine cooperation with China worldwide is injecting confidence into the global fight against the ravaging COVID-19 pandemic.